Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's wig tutorial, I am showing you guys this beautiful Isee hair wear and go glueless highlight brown wig. You guys, this wig is super silky straight. Mind you, it comes pre-plucked for you. This is a 4x6 HD transparent lace frontal, and it also comes pre-cut as well. This specific one is 180% density, but I'll have the inches in the description box down below. But just so you guys know, she is 100% glueless, okay? So here is the wig here. Oh, there we go. It's 22 inches. So here is the wig. Once again, it has these beautiful highlights. It's color 4/27 honey blonde. That is a close-up of that lace, you guys. It comes pre-plucked and pre-cut for you. And I want to say that that lace may have come pre-bleached as well, because I did not have to do anything to the lace whatsoever. So guess what? We are doing a straight out the box wig install. So the inside of the wig is a dome cap. Dome caps are a lot more breathable and stretchy. It also has the adjustable elastic band, and once again, that's a close-up of the lace. As you guys can see, the knots on the lace are super thin, and that is why I did not have to do any bleaching or anything like that. So the first thing that you want to do is just add some makeup on the lace, and we do this to make sure that it matches our skin tone. And all you have to do is adjust the straps after that to your preference, and then you just throw the wig on. So at this point, you're just going to adjust the wig and just make sure it's fitting securely. Double check to see if you need to tighten the straps a little bit more. I know some of you guys question as to whether like wigs will fit you or not when it's like the glueless adjustable strap. So to be honest, when you have a glueless wig, you guys, especially a dome cap glueless wig just like this one, it's meant to fit any and everybody. So just keep that in mind. The adjustable straps is to basically tighten it if you need to, or loosen it if you need to. All right, so just keep that in mind. So next, I will be using my wax stick and my hot comb just to get any flyaways and stuff like that out of my face, because I am going to add a little bit more foundation to the front of the wig, and I'm going to keep the middle part because when it comes to straight units, I actually prefer to keep a middle part. I don't like side parts when the hair is not straight, okay? So I will also be using my wax stick and my hot comb to go section by section just to make sure that the top of the wig is laying flat. To me, that's actually very important because it helps it to look a lot more natural as well. All right, y'all, she is looking good. Honestly, this is one of my favorite things about doing wig installs. I don't know, it's so satisfying to just see the wig just come to life on your head, like lace wear. Okay, lace wear, wig wear, like this is my hair. Okay, so now I'm just basically straightening the hair, and I know you guys are like, it's already straight, but there's like a few pieces that I wanted to get, because remember, this is a straight out the box wig install, so I just really wanted it to look fresh. So I'm just going in with my flat iron. Now the good thing is that I did not have to use any product, so the shine that you guys are seeing on camera, that's the hair. I didn't put anything in this hair whatsoever. Okay, all I had to do was just use my rat tail comb and also go over it with the flat iron a couple of times, and that's all I had to do. I didn't have any additional tangling, I didn't have any shedding or anything like that, nothing crazy whatsoever. So the hair was really good quality, and I loved how the highlights just popped, and I loved how naturally shiny the hair was as well. I also feel like it was really good for 180% density. It's not too thick, and it's also not too thin, and also it's 22 inches, so on me that actually kind of goes down to my butt. I am pretty short, I'm like 5'1", 5'2"-ish, so it's pretty long on me, so just keep that in mind. All right, so I'm just gonna straighten both sides, and then I'll come back when we are finished. All right, you guys, so we are finished. How simple, quick, and easy was that? Now, I do just want to let you guys know that the price point of this wig is great. So I will have the direct link to this unit listed in my description box down below. She is super affordable. I believe like the 20 inches could be as low as like $135. So yeah, girl, make sure you go ahead and you check out the link in my description box so you guys could purchase this wig for yourselves. But as you can see, she is really, really, really pretty. The highlights is really pretty, the length is perfect, and that lace blended in like 1, 2, 3. This is the type of wig that you would want, especially if you are a beginner, or if you just want to build up your collection to different types of units where you can just throw on and go. That's why this is called a wear and go wig. So this is super easy and super simple, and mind you, I did not have to do any additional work at all. This was straight out the box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed, and shout out to Isee Hair. I will see you guys next time.